Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Keys. Today I'll be doing a tutorial on how to know your F chord on keyboard. In my last tutorial I showed you guys, I talked about these black keys and the white keys. So on this very tutorial I'm going to break down how to know your F chord on keyboard. Please guys, if you haven't subscribed, please do to like, subscribe and share. So this is your F. This is the note, and this is the chord. A chord comprises of 3 or more notes, you understand? So on the keyboard you have the do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Those are the major chords that we have. On this very tutorial, I'll be doing all the chords on F sharp, the major chords. That's your do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do on F chord. At the end of this very tutorial, you should know your major keys. As a beginner, you should know it because it will help you a lot in your playing. So for your do, we have the F. I'm using the soft notations and the number pattern as well. You have the F, the A, and the C. Your F, A, C. That's your do. If it's number pattern, this is your 1. Most times you have people say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 on the keyboard. That's your do is your 1, which is your F, your A, and your C. F, A, C. The separation should be do, mi, sol, do, mi, sol. The number pattern is your 1, 3, 5, 1, 3, 5. Hope you're getting something here. After that, you get your re. I'm spacing my fingers so that you guys won't be confused. Your re, which is your 2, is your re, fa, la. Get your mi, which is your 3. The soft notation is your mi, sol, ti. That is your 3, 5, and your 7th. 3, 5, 7th. Mi, sol, ti, which is your 3 chord, your mi chord. After that, you get your fa. You get it? Which is your fa, la, do, your 4, 6, and your 1. Is your fa, as well as your number 4, which is the number pattern is 4. Then the soft notation is your fa, is your fa, la, do, fa, la, do. You understand it? The next one is your sol. Hope you are seeing it. Your sol, which is your sol, ti, re, sol, ti, re, which is your 6, 7, 2, 6, 7, 2. Your sol or your 5. Then your la is your la, do, mi, la, do, mi. Is your 6, 1, 3, 6, 1, 3. Your la as well as your 6. Then your ti. Your ti is your ti, re, fa, ti, re, fa, which is your 7, 2, and your 4. You're getting it? Back to your 1. Hope you have learned something so far. So all together, you get something like. Let me take it slowly. Let me do it with the beat. Let me space my hands. You have done your major. With this you can play songs, yeah. With your music here and with the knowledge of this you can play songs. And another thing you should know is for the inversions. Although I'm going to do a separate tutorial for it, but let me do a little something about it here. You know this your F, your A and your C. This your Do and your 1. The same thing as your, that is, you inverted this F to here. Instead of your F, A and your C, it will now be your A, C and F. This is the first inversion of your Do. So, and the second inversion will now be your C, your F and your A. That is, you have your F, A, C, your A, C, F, and your C, F, A. The same thing. Most times you hear people play something like this. I stay on the same Do. Just to spice up the music. Hope you understand it. Same thing as your saw. See, this is your saw. This is your E, your G, and your C. If you invert it, it will now give you your G, your C, and your E. And the another one is your C, your E, and your G. So most times you hear people play something like this. Same thing. So don't get confused. This is for inversion, but I'm going to do a separate tutorial on it on this very channel. Please guys, I have a lot coming up. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video so that I will do more. Thank you guys. See you guys some other time. Bye.